Welcome to Wonderful Home Design. Join us to our journey into interior design. Today, we're exploring the exciting world of third wallpaper, where a single wall can transform your entire space. Third wallpaper, or feature wall design, adds personality and depth, creating a stunning focal point in any room. From bold patterns to serene textures, discover how the right choice can reflect your style and elevate your home. Third wallpaper, often referred to as accent wallpaper, plays a vital role in modern interior home design. This dynamic design element allows homeowners to showcase their personal style by adding depth and character to a space. Typically applied to one wall of a room, the third wallpaper serves as a focal point, enhancing the overall aesthetic without overwhelming the environment. Popular choices include bold patterns, vibrant colors, or textured finishes that complement existing decor. Utilizing a third wallpaper can help define areas within an open floor plan or create intimacy in larger spaces. When selected thoughtfully, it can harmonize with furniture and accessories, transforming an ordinary room into a striking visual statement that reflects individual taste and creativity. Ultimately, the right third wallpaper elevates a home's interior, making it feel more cohesive and inviting. In contemporary interior home design, the use of third wallpaper has gained significant traction for its ability to add dimension and personality to any room. Unlike traditional wallpaper that may cover all four walls, the third wallpaper technique highlights a single wall, creating a striking focal point that draws the eye. This approach allows for creativity and experimentation, making it an ideal choice for spaces like living rooms, bedrooms, or dining areas. Whether opting for geometric patterns, vibrant florals, or textured designs, third wallpaper can dramatically alter the ambience of a room. It seamlessly integrates with various design styles, from modern minimalist to rustic chic, while providing an opportunity to express individuality. By choosing the right colors and patterns, homeowners can enhance light and space, ultimately leading to a more inviting and harmonious interior that reflects their unique sensibilities. Third wallpaper, or feature wall wallpaper, is a transformative element in interior home design that adds flair and style to any space. It serves to create a striking contrast against more neutral walls, allowing homeowners to play with colors and patterns that express their personality. This design technique can be particularly effective in smaller spaces, where an eye-catching wallpaper can draw attention and create the illusion of depth. Popular choices often include bold prints, textured finishes, or even murals that bring a sense of adventure and vibrancy into a room. When selecting a third wallpaper, it's essential to consider the overall theme and color palette of the space to ensure harmony. Whether it's a chic urban loft or a cozy cottage, third wallpaper can enhance the character of a home, making it feel more curated and inviting while also providing a canvas for artistic expression.